Hey developers, so in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy to GitHub Pages. So if you have a personal portfolio or a project that you want to deploy, one easy way to do this is with GitHub Pages. So you might see other deployment services like Netlify, but GitHub Pages is also one of the ones that you will see being used widely. So here I have an old GitHub project that I've done a couple years ago. Just a rock, paper, scissors game. Now, in order to deploy this to GitHub Pages, so you have to have your own repo that you want to deploy with some static files like CSS, JavaScript, and for me, I have all those and index.html right here. So once you have that, we're ready to go to deploy. First thing you can do is go to settings right here. And inside the settings, when you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you should see a GitHub Pages somewhere. So scroll down and there's a GitHub Pages right here. Now, so GitHub Pages, easy enough. The thing we can do here is just click on this and you can select a branch. So if you have multiple branches, you can select one of those, but for me, I only have one single branch here, so I'm going to go with master. And the next option is to have a folder that you want to have deployed as your root or your main folder. For me, I'm only going to go with the root because I don't have any other folders with all my static files inside. It's all in the root. So I'll go to root and I'm going to click save. Now, once you click save, it's going to refresh the page. And if you go all the way back down to the bottom, you'll see it says your site is ready to be published at some URL right here. So this is going to be the public URL that other people can use to access your project. So if I click on it right now, there we go. So my project is deployed right here and it's working as expected. And this is a public link that anyone can access. So a couple of things to note here. When you first deploy to GitHub Pages, it might take a little bit for, I guess, GitHub to refresh or to actually deploy your application. Maybe around, I think it's around 10 minutes or so. But that's one thing to keep in mind when you first deploy for the first time. There might be some time you need to wait. So that's about it for this video. A really short and simple one, but really useful to know if you're trying to deploy projects for your portfolio. So if you like this video, or if you want to see other tutorials for other services like Netlify, let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.